Ladies and gentlemen, Crypto Mercy, hope everyone is well. Very happy to be with you. And as you know, I'm tracking the SPX, and it has been very, very easy to track and subcount. Really happy. If you can watch, if some of you watch this chart, it has been playing out perfectly. Now, how I've been able to detect that we weren't inside an ABC because we had an impulse down inside this A wave and we created an ABC after that. Also, when we reach, B wave targets for zigzag perfectly, and now we are going down inside an impulse that I've been tracking like a punk. And I told you that we would go inside a wave 4 in between 46.02 and 46.23, and bam, on the 123% of Fibonacci, 4610.63, perfect target reversal on the 30-minute chart, this candle. And now, how we can figure out the most probable targets for this wave 5. You take your trend-based fib extension tool, you grab the ultimate top right here, you grab the bottom of A and the top of B, and you want all the possible fibs for a C wave inside a zigzag. And the 61.8 was one, the 100 is another one, the 123 is another one, and the 161.8 is the last target possible for this C wave. All right, now in my count, we are already inside wave 5. You take your trend-based fib extension, you click on 0.0, bottom of 1, and top of 5, and you want all the fibs for a wave 5 possible, which are the 100, where we are right now. It is possible that we're going to end this wave 5 in a truncated. It is a possibility. Also, 161.8 is another one. And we have the 261.8, which is the last possible target at right 4,500, sorry. All right. Those targets are possible. Also, what's going to happen after this? Now I'm seeing bullish divergence on lower time frame for the SPX, which for me, buying pressure is coming back very quickly on the SPX. I still can see divergence from the lowest chart to time frame to the 4 hours time frame, now diverging, and it is why I think we are in the last legs here for this C wave. Also, you need to note that a C wave love to be the same length of A wave. I already told that a couple of times. You can measure it and figure out the most probable targets. And look at this, 4512 is a very nice possible target in my opinion. We are probably gonna come here. Now, it is not sure. It is not sure if on the 1 hour chart, 2 hours chart, we can go over the MA14 and grab back some buying support. It is possible that this wave 5 gonna surprise and end in truncated wave 5. It is a possibility that we must keep in our head that the SPX can reverse from here. Now, not seeing bullish divergence inside the daily chart for me, which means, okay, this drop can be over, but it is more probable that the SPX is going to go inside what we call a W, X, and a Y. Because, buying pressure is not enough strong for me right now, and momentum is picking up on lower time frame, but buyers are not getting crazy now. This is going to be an opportunity, a buying opportunity for a little swing. I think, the last possible target for this X wave would be 47.72, which is B wave most probable targets. Let me bring B waves. Here we go. And 0.8, 0.764, 0.764. Also, I'm going to add for the SPX the 0.5 right here. Okay, sometimes 0.5. Lowest possible targets if we are coming back in this area right here. Example SPX is going down to 45.12. Lowest target this X wave can go is the 46.29, and IS is 47.73. All right, even IS, it's possible to go at the 100 fib, but it's pretty rare, not really common. And this X will stop just before the last I, and I've seen that in the past. It is a possibility. Now, if we are stopping right here and reversing right there, which is possible with a truncated wave 5, if this is ending, the C wave is ending right here, and they want to surprise us, now we have to take those targets right here. I'm going to track this movement right there and try to help you try to figure out, and try to subcount. What are the possible, why it is important to follow the SPX? Because, the SPX is bringing many risk-on assets with him. It's an index, and BTC is following risk-on assets. And, the father of risk-on assets is the SPX. And now, the thing is that if we are going inside an X wave, it can be many patterns. It can be a WXY. It can be an ABC in flat. It can be an ABC inside a zigzag. And it can take a while. This can play out very slowly. I'm just going to show you. It can be an ABC in flat like this. Right here. Let's go. Something like that. It can be an ABC in zigzag like this. Okay, it can be a WXY, which is already a W wave is composed from an ABC. Many possible scenarios are, we'll have to follow and, subcount everything, but now pretty easy to follow with Elliott waves. The SPX right now. All right. If you have any question, let me know. I think this for sure will have an influence on BTC if we are about to reverse on the SPX. This is what I think. I think the SPX is about to reverse. I'm seeing divergence on the 4 hours chart, but something can trigger a flush, and this flush can bring us to the 261.8 at a maximum. This 123 and this 161 is not available because I'm seeing a wave 5. And why a wave 5? Because my subcount has been precise, but the other reason is that we are diverging, and divergence mean wave 5. All right. This was a divergence inside this wave 5 of this wave 3 right here. And this bigger wave 5 is diverging. And we have all the information here on, even on the, if you're looking on the 4 hours chart, 3 hours chart, you will see even this divergence for this wave of 5 that is playing out right now. Okay. All right. Cheers. I'm going to go over BTC. What does that mean for BTC? If the SPX is reversing soon inside a X wave, BTC, where can BTC go? This is what we're going to take a look at on the second video. Cheers. Bye-bye.